it's not all smooth sailing when you go travelling or when you're loading film. What's up, guys? Welcome to episode and roll number 3 of Analog Archives. Oh my god, this could be really cool. My 3rd day here. Quite excited about what this shot might look like. Don't you just love Sri Lankans? I've got a roll of Ilford Hp5. First roll of black and white. I want to use this now because I know that if I just keep shooting colour, then I'll get to India and I'll have no colour left. I'll only have black and white. So here we are. All right, we're in action. And just in time, young Tom has arrived. To kick things off, we're gonna get the 50mm on. Gonna introduce Tom to episode 3 of Analog Archives. All right, I might just get you in the middle of the road for a portrait, just facing me. Oh fuck, maybe wait a bit. Yeah, boy. All right, let's keep cruising. Got him. Wow, that was random. I'm just gonna get an empty shot of this bridge as well because I quite like it. 3, 2, 1. Bang. There's just a few locals who have stopped underneath the bridge. I don't know what they're doing, having a little break. And I reckon we could get a cool high angle shot. Perfect in the middle of these two. This is really nice. That's just beautiful. What a lovely couple. Thank you. Have a good day. So we just got to Peanut Farm, which is a really cool little beach with a point break, about a 15-minute drive south of Arugam Bay. And it's actually also next to a naval base. And there's a guy who's in a little watchtower here. Alright, we've just stopped in a town just south of Arugam Bay, only about like a kilometre. You're getting haircut? You're getting haircut? Or you already have haircut?
Yeah, cutting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. I like. Similar. Look. Is it okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Shooting at f4. I quite like this. Now that I've got the 28, this suits this scene a lot better.
You're from where?
Australia. Yeah. Changing the frame as I go to take the photo. Wow. Oh my god, how about this, guys?
Yes, our traditional food.
Say hello.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
Mr. Jacob. I'm Musad.
I've just met Musad, Sibli,
I'm Sibli.
and Muzar.
Musa
Muza.
is a cook, our chef.
He's a cook. Look at that. It's amazing. I'm gonna take a photo.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks good. All right, enjoy. Wow, I've hit the jackpot here. Okay. We've relocated, and now we're smoking some shisha with a nice view. I'm not sure how this happened, but this will make for a nice. I think it's time for another shot. I kind of like this. No, it's okay. No Facebook, don't worry.
Just for WhatsApp, for friends.
The boys have got blueberry.
Yeah.
It's very good. Pala pala. We've just finished the roll of HP5. Took a couple of photos of Musath's nephew and niece at your house. Yeah. There we go. First roll of black and white.